Time to go back to the beginning. The first hike I filmed was in July of 2016 at Myron and Helen Gibbons Nature Preserve. Now that's in Riverview, Florida. I filmed it on a Snapcam Lite. It's made by Ion. It's a life logger. At the time I was looking for something that would just record everything I did. So I want, the beginning of the hike to the end of the hike. I want the whole thing. So that's what I did on this hike. I recorded the whole thing. I wore the camera on my chest pocket. There were good things and bad things about this. Had a pretty good vantage point. I had my hands free. I didn't have to worry about that. But even when I'm standing still, there's motion in the camera because of my heartbeat or my breathing. Since this has no built-in stabilization and it doesn't shoot in 4K, it's kind of hard to make it look like it's brand new footage, but I did redo this video for the purposes of showing where I started from. It's a short hike, about a mile and a half. It's got some nice views of Bell Creek, very pretty cascades through there, and it does make its way back to the Alafia River. You get a couple of views of that. The woods there are thick, so it gets very humid. You'll probably need a stick to knock down the spider webs because the trail is very narrow, and I recommend bug spray, of course. Welcome to Florida. I did come across a little bit of wildlife, a black racer and a banded water snake. The little camera, of course, doesn't really pick them up too well. It's really made just to get a wide angle of everything that's going on. Anyway, here's what we got.